In this brief video, I'm going to show you the two main ways that you purchase access to lectures on the Present Podiatry website in the lecture hall. So I'm in the all sections here, and you can see that lectures are either in packages or collections, or you can purchase individual lectures by buying site credit. Let's look at the packages first. So this is the most popular package on the website. Present Complete Podiatric CME Online is a collection of all the current lectures on the website, and you have unlimited access for 1 year when you buy this. If you click on View Products, you can see some more information about it. So right now there are 329 lectures in this collection, which are good for about 180 hours of CME, and some more information about it. And then if you scroll down, you can see all the lectures that are included. At any one time, there are lectures in topics from anesthesia to biomechanics to surgery to wound care, everything that is of interest to podiatrists. So you click here, you buy the package, and then for the next year, you can watch any lecture on the website and earn unlimited CME. Now, if we go back to the full lecture hall, I'll show you how to purchase individual lectures with site credits. So if you scroll down here, you can see a description of site credits, and you can either click here or click here to purchase the site credits, which brings up a description of the site credit packages, and they start at $99 and range up to $4.99. When you buy a site credit package, you're always given some bonus credits. So basically $1 equals 1 site credit. So if you spend $99, you're given 11 extras. You get a total of 110 site credits. And those are good for purchasing 5.5 continuing education contact hours, or 5.5 hours of CME. So there you have it. To purchase that, you select here, then you click on the shopping cart, and the shopping cart appears here, and you check out. Those are the two ways to purchase credit and watch lectures on the site.